So what's up guys, it's me here with Freshly Brewed, and today we are talking about a game changer in the world of video editing, none other than Google Veo 3, and yes, I'm not exaggerating. This tool is seriously awesome, and it's going to save you tons of time when creating your videos. So whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this video is for you. We are going to dive into everything you need to know about Google Veo 3, so by the end of this video, you lines be a pro at creating stunning videos that will leave your audience in awe. But before we jump in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We post weekly videos to help you grow your business and make more money. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, welcome back to another amazing episode. And today, we're taking a deep dive into Google's newest addition to the video editing software world, Google Veo 3. Now, Google Veo 3 is a super advanced video editing tool, but don't worry, it's designed to be super easy to use even if you're a beginner. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever spent hours editing your videos only to have them turn out subpar? Or maybe you've struggled with the learning curve of traditional video editing software. If you relate to these struggles, then get ready because Google Veo 3 is here to change everything. It uses the power of AI to automatically suggest edits and enhancements to your video, giving you the best possible outcome with minimal effort. You can create professional-looking videos in minutes with just a few clicks. It really is that easy. So in today's video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about Google Veo 3. We're going to look at its features, how to get started, and even share some pro tips to help you create top-notch videos. Before we dive in, let's start with the basics. What is Google Veo 3 and why should you care? Well, Google Veo 3 is basically an online video editor that utilizes AI to help you edit your videos faster and easier than ever before. You can upload your footage, choose from a variety of templates and effects, and let AI do the rest. The result: stunning high-quality videos that you can share with the world. Google Veo is free to use and accessible from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a device with a web browser. No downloads or installations are required. It's also compatible with Mac, Windows, Linux, and Chrome OS devices. Now that we know what Google Veo 3 is, let us take a closer look at how it works and all the awesome features it has to offer. First off, let's talk about the user interface. Google Veo 3 is super intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Once you sign up for an account, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can start a new project, access your media library, and see your recent projects. To start a new project, simply click on the Create New Project button and choose from one of the many templates or start from scratch. You can also import your own media files, such as video clips, images, and audio tracks by simply dragging and dropping them into the media library. Once you have your media files uploaded, it's time to start editing. Google Veo 3 offers a range of basic editing tools, such as trimming, cutting, and adding transitions between clips. You can also add text, captions, and stickers to your videos, as well as adjust the volume levels and apply filters and effects. But the coolest feature of Google Veo 3 is the AI-powered suggestions. As you edit your video, Google Veo 3 will analyze the content and automatically suggest edits and enhancements to improve the overall quality of your video. These suggestions include things like automatically generated captions, suggested transitions, and more. Speaking of transitions, let us take a moment to highlight the various options available in Google Veo 3. Transitions are an essential part of any video, and they allow you to connect different shots seamlessly. Google Veo 3 offers a wide range of transition effects that you can choose from, including simple cuts, fades, and wipes, as well as more complex effects like zooms and spirals. You can easily add a transition by dragging and dropping it onto the line between two clips and adjusting the duration as needed. Next up, let's talk about text and captions. Adding text to your videos is a great way to engage your audience and convey your message more effectively. Google Veo 3 makes it easy to add text and captions to your videos with a simple click. You can choose from a variety of fonts and colors and adjust the size and position of the text as needed. You can also add captions automatically by using Google Video's built-in caption generator. And if you want to take your videos to the next level, you can even add animated captions. These captions will appear on screen as the video plays, and they are a great way to make your content more accessible to a wider audience. Now let us explore the effects and filters available in Google Veo 3, from basic adjustments like brightness and contrast to more stylized effects like vintage and cinematic. There's a filter for every occasion. You can also adjust the speed of your video clips and apply motion effects to create a more dynamic and engaging video. Finally, let's talk about audio. Audio is an important element of any video, and Google Veo 3 offers a range of tools to help you manage your audio tracks. You can adjust the volume levels of each track individually, remove background noise, and even add your own music tracks. Google Veo also has a built-in music library with a wide range of royalty-free music that you can use in your videos. And that's a wrap on the main features of Google Veo 3, but there is still more to explore. There are also additional features like multi-track editing, collaborative editing, and more. Now that you know the features, let's talk about how to get started with Google Veo 3. It's super easy. Simply head to the website and sign up for an account. Once you're signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can start your first project. You can choose from a variety of templates or start from scratch. The rest is up to you. Upload your media files, make your edits, and voila, you're done. Now that you know how to get started, let's share some tips for creating awesome videos with Google Veo. First, plan your content. Before you start editing, take some time to plan your video. Think about the message you want to convey and the type of content you want to include. A well-planned video is key to keeping your audience engaged. Second, keep it concise. People have short attention spans, so keep your video short and to the point. Aim for 60 seconds or less if possible, and don't forget to add subtitles. Subtitles make your videos more accessible to a wider audience. They also help people who are deaf or hard of hearing. Plus, they can help you reach new viewers who may not speak the same language as you. Creating engaging content is important for any business or individual looking to build their brand and connect with their audience. It's a great way to showcase your expertise, tell stories, and promote products or services. Google Veo 3 makes creating videos easier than ever before. With its easy-to-use platform and AI-powered features, anyone can create professional-looking videos in minutes. Whether you're a blogger, small business owner, or just someone looking to share their story, Google Veo 3 is the perfect tool for you. So there you have it, folks. We've covered quite a lot about Google Veo 3, from its features and functionality to how to get started, and some tips for creating awesome videos. Hopefully this video was helpful, and you're now ready to start creating your own stunning videos with Google Veo 3. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest content. Thanks for watching and happy video creating!